Hey, what's up everybody? I appreciate you tuning in once again. This is Mr. X Dos. Today, I have a special unboxing to do. And I call it special because when I first started my YouTube channel, my very first official video, and please go check it out, it was actually a VR for Ovi1013. I know most of my subscribers are already subscribers of Ovi1013, but if you're not, you need to go check him out. Well, my very first VR happens to be to his channel, which he was actually my first subscriber to me. It's kind of cool because for my first VR contest, I should say, I got lucky and won. And as a matter of fact, we all won. So let's go ahead and break into this package. I got my little trusty. It's a new Smith & Wesson knife. Actually, just got that also. But that's just going to be another video. I had already opened it and kind of looked at it. It's the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. But I'll talk a little more about it at a different video. So, got my special box today. Ovi1013 came ringing my doorbell. And as you know, took off the information to protect the innocent or guilty. So, let's have at it. I've been so excited and anxious waiting on the package. I think I had a dream about it the other day. Kind of crazy. But hey, I was excited. Either it's very, very, very well wrapped, or this knife sucks. Or both. So let's see. See what we got here. I think it might be the knife. Alright. What do I see here? Let's check it out. I think it's just some packaging stuff. One of these already popped out. Hey, I think it's as excited as me, wanting to get out of there. So, yeah. Got me some Winchester Super X high velocity stuff. This is awesome. Haha, this is great. And what else do I see in here? Oh, looks like all the boxes are excited. They want to come out here. Ooh, yeah. Some Thunderbolts, baby. Haha, yeah. Check it out. Oh yeah, got several excited 22 long rifles in there. Alright guys, I'm excited as you. Awesome, awesome. Like I said, I know most of my subscribers have already been subscribed to him, but if you're not, go check him out. I'm going to put his description down below. Got me some Thunderbolts and some Winchester. Man, I really appreciate it. Woo! I am so happy. Now it looks like I have a little variety, and I can't wait to just get a minute and go to the range. Try these out. I do want to mention, though, the most important thing. His contest was for a very good buddy of his, Breatheasy. And sadly, ever since I came on board, I haven't seen him. I haven't heard from him. So if anybody watching knows about Breatheasy, which was the point for this actual contest, man, let them know. But other than that, Ovi, you're the best, man. You're the best. Thanks for watching. I'm happy. Can't wait to get to the range. I'm really excited. But for now, Mr. X2. Hasta luego.